Don't allow that to happen. You have to be...
Think of the love that you have now because it's going to be up and down.
Always remember the triangle theory, right? As you go
Rising sun hits the sky, see it open before us. Take these hopes, hold them high. Every step takes you closer. Oh, 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 oh. The stars will show us. Oh, 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 oh. It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking.
So I'd like to open this event. First, thanking everyone for coming. And today, as my godparents, if you've seen the program or if you've read the program, there's one question that us as a couple would like to ask each and every one of you. What is one marriage advice? It can be a story, a short quip, or just a one-liner that you can share with us, to me and my fiancé, on how to live a successful relationship.
I was going to say always remember your friendship because it's all about friendships. But after 11 years, I think you guys are friends. I mean, you've seen a lot in 11 years. Think of the love that you have now because it's going to be up and down. It's never going to be that rosy. So you have to think of the love that brought you together, what brought you together. And last but not the least, remember, happy wife, happy life.
Happiest years of living together, healthy lives, successful in whatever you do. All the very best to you both and to the rest of the family.
They say that it's important to be both friends and lovers. I've heard of old couples who say that now, even if they started out as lovers, towards the end they just become like barkada daw or friends. Don't allow that to happen. You have to be friends and lovers all the way. But Janeena, you have to be his home. So if there is something that you need to say to your husband, who I assume should be your best friend also, just say it and deal with it.
I always say that when you get to prepare for your big day, the most important thing really is the day after that. That's when it all starts. And always remember the triangle theory, right? As you go closer to God, you also become closer together.
My husband Rene used to say to every godchild that he had, rule number 1, the wife is always right. And rule number 2, when the wife is wrong, refer to rule number 1.
Tonight, light the way, hand in hand.
I just want to wish you have all the best, and then maybe today is 11 and 11, and then 11 years, maybe you want to have 11 children.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know.
Find time for both of you alone. Go on a date again. So find time to call each other how you're doing. That will be sweet.
My advice is learn to forgive each one another. And Morgan, you need to humble yourself. Always make your wife happy.
Morgan and Janeena, my wish to both of you is to continue to support each other in every stage in your life. Morgan, always remember, a happy wife gives you a happy life. So always say yes to your wife.
So time is the most precious. So Morgan, time. So when the kids are growing up, time. When Janeena needs you, time. Time is of the essence. So if you can manage time well, life is going to be beautiful.
Always be quick to forgive and forget. Because, people are not perfect, right? So when someone makes mistake and they admit to it, just forgive and forget. And never bring it up again.
No, my only advice for both of you, always put God in the center of your lives, in the center of your marriage. And everything will fall into the right place.
We can't go, 'cause this is the start of something beautiful.
I agree with most of what they said. I think communication is very important, especially for young couples, because there are times that many of us are busy doing social media, doing other stuff. But I think having that 1 hour discussion in a day, I think that's very vital. So every time there's disagreements, it's important to always communicate, to be open to each other, and to be honest with each other.